In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download NordVPN, open VPN config files, and find your service credentials. First, start by logging into your NordVPN account on the official website. Use your regular account email and password to access your dashboard. If you've enabled additional security on your account, complete that as prompted. Once you're in, you'll see your main account area, which is where you manage subscriptions and settings. Next, head to the section typically labeled Advanced Settings or Manual Setup. The exact wording can vary slightly over time, but you're looking for the area that covers manual configuration for VPN apps or routers. This is separate from the one-click app downloads and is specifically designed for users who want to use OpenVPN files with third-party clients or hardware. Inside the Manual Setup section, locate the OpenVPN configuration files. You'll see a list of servers categorized by country or region, often with options for UDP and TCP. UDP is usually faster and is the recommended choice for most streaming and general browsing, while TCP can be more stable on unreliable networks. Choose the server location that makes the most sense for you, typically one that's geographically close or that suits your content needs, then download the .ovpn file for the UDP option. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like a dedicated VPN folder on your computer, and consider naming or organizing your files by country or purpose so you can quickly tell them apart later. Now, while you're still in the manual setup area, find your NordVPN service credentials. These are a separate username and password used specifically for OpenVPN configurations and are different from the login you use to access your account. NordVPN provides these service credentials right on this page. Copy the service username and service password and store them securely, ideally in a trusted password manager. You'll need these exact credentials whenever you import the .ovpn file into an OpenVPN client or configure a router. Keep in mind that if you ever regenerate these credentials, you'll need to update them wherever you've used them. That's it. You've logged into your account, navigated to the manual setup area, downloaded the appropriate OpenVPN.ovpn file for your chosen server, preferably using UDP for speed, and retrieved your service credentials that are distinct from your regular account login. With those files and credentials ready, you'll be set for a smooth manual configuration experience whenever you're ready to set up your device.